got on, and y'all don't talk about the edges. Like, don't talk about that. Fresh out my bonnet. Hey, y'all good? Y'all okay? Y'all ate? All right. So you guys, as you can see, we don't have on any hair right now. Y'all, I am going to be reviewing a headband wig, and yes, this is how this wig came, and this is from Amazon, and the description is just headband wig for black women, but y'all know I will put a picture of the product up here somewhere, and also the link will be down below in the description box. And this is just a headband wig, and it came with a this is the net wig cap. I like net. I'm starting to really like the net wig caps, y'all, but I haven't bought any. So the fact that they're giving me these for free, I like it. And then it came with this headband. Y'all, I love cheetah print, and it's a headband sort of like the one I already got on. And y'all, don't talk about the edges. Like, don't talk about that. Fresh out my bonnet. But came with this headband, really cute. I like that. And y'all, this is the actual headband wig unit, and it comes in this net. And it comes like this, and if I'm not mistaken, this unit is 24 inches. Okay, and it is synthetic, but we love us a nice synthetic unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush her. And I'm pretty sure y'all all know how headband wigs come. And y'all, this is my mirror right here, if you're wondering what this silver thing is. I gotta have my mirror a little bit closer because I can't see that well without glasses or contacts. And I have not bought contacts since this pandemic started, so. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. It has that one comb in the back, the 2 on the sides, and the one comb in the front, 2 on the sides, and then the 1 comb in the back. And it also has adjustable straps. So just because I have on this, it was wash day for me yesterday, and what I did was I twisted my hair individually, and then I braided them into 2 cornrows. So I look like Miss Sealy by the head, not Cleo today, Miss Sealy. But it's okay. It's okay. So I want to use this. I want to use this little net. Oh, so it has a. Okay. Y'all, this looks weird, but let's see. Okay, all right, so it doesn't fully cover. Hold on the thing. Oh, so you're supposed to pull it and then you tuck it up under. Okay, I get what you was doing. I get. Okay, so we are going to throw Miss Mama's on. Okay, guys, so I like. Boy, me like. Okay, you guys, so I have her on, and y'all, she is cute. She's cute. She is a body wave unit, and y'all, so soft and snug and secure. And even though this cheetah print headband does not match what I have on, I just want to try it on just to see what it will look like on, because I am gonna wear this cheetah print headband, just not with this outfit. And yeah, she's cute. She is she's cute. Y'all, I'm looking over here at my mirror. I don't move my mirror, but she is cute. Y'all, this is my first headband wig, and let me just say I'm in love with it. I am in love, and I have found my new, I know I'm gonna say that with every every unit that I review, but y'all, this is gonna be my little summertime, you know, a little summertime get up. And this is actually my little no makeup look, and this is LA Colors lip oil that I am putting on my lips, make sure my lips not dry. But y'all, I really like this unit. I like this headband unit, and like I said, I will put the specs for this unit. I put a picture, and I'll also put the description down below in the description box. And y'all, I'm not too big on how the wigs come to me, just because I put them in stuff like this anyway. It makes it easier for storage, and I get to see what it is that I'm getting. So these clear plastic bags don't bother me. They don't bother me at all. But y'all, definitely go out and get this, because she's cute. She's cute. But like I said, I will not be wearing that headband, but the headband that I will be wearing is the headband that I had on when we first came to this video. Because I think, do I want to wear, no, I just wear the black. I just wear the actual headband that it came with, y'all. And you see my little braid, well, my little twist going into the braid, you see that. And like I said, I had my hair twisted and then put into the twisted, braided into a cornrow, so I'm not pulling out any edges with that, but still cute. Still cute. You don't need to see no edges. You don't need to see new edges, because either way she go, you pull it back just a little bit though. Either way it goes, she's still cute. And she fits snug and comfortably, and I know that if a strong wind was to come, I feel like she'd stay on. And yeah, I love the little body waves in it. Love the little body waves. So yeah, you guys, I definitely say this is a yes. This is a unit that you should get, a headband unit, because these are all the rage now, and I see why. Make sure that you check the description box below, because that's where I will be leaving the link to this unit. And yeah, you guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna order some more, because this is my first headband wig and I need some more. So cute. All right, you guys, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm back. Gang. All right, I don't know why I did that, but bye, you guys.